I'm the star, bitch, it's my move.
Alright, welcome to Build Something TV. Thank you for watching the other video. Now this is the other video where we are going to start the process of putting in the trans. Just gotta take those bolts out and then I gotta swing everything out and unclip everything also. I probably should start with the unclipping. Alright, got the trans lines out. Now it's time to take the starter out. It's that ratchet end wrench. I just bought it. I don't know. We're going to try and see if it works. The ratcheting action on this end. Let's see. Let's see if the ratchet. It don't really work. See? It doesn't work as described. Not in real world situations. This end is nice. It's smooth. But the other end, that ratchet end, that shit's garbage. Don't forget there's another one right here. That's out. And I think there's one right underneath here somewhere. Should be down here. Right behind these lines there's a bolt. You gotta get to it because that's connected to the trans. The Husky ratchet end is dope. That other side is garbage. Alright, found the bolt to put on the crank. Now I gotta yank that one out. And keep going till you get them all out. Figure out something. So there's one bolt right here, and there's another one behind it. So you got to hit that up. There's the bolt here. Wasn't so bad. Got that damn thing on the ground. All right. Blue torque converter. Blah, 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 blah. So this trans here, definitely ready to go to the shop. Ready to roll. All right, wing nuts, now check this stuff out. Went to the shop. Now I was gonna go check on the car. So I went and go check on the car and everything. All right, boom, boom, boom. They did everything, took the trans out, everything is all good. They came to me and said, yo, papi. I said, yo, what's up? He said, yo, no, the torque converter, no feet. The blue one, chiquito. And the one came out, the Lincoln, grande, no feet. I said, no feet? No feet. I said, okay, no feet. So, did you try to put the torque converter on the flywheel? Yeah, no feet. I said, okay, no feet. All right. You need flywheel. I said, okay, good. I have another flywheel at home. If it don't fit, no feet. Now, let's back it up. Most of you guys know, Ford guys, you guys know, you see it already. The grande one goes here. The chiquito one goes here. Now me, I'm not thinking, because I'm like, I want this car done. I don't give a damn if I got to bring the other engine to get it to work. And as I'm coming back, bantering, thinking, led to believe that the flywheel on the Lincoln, no feet. And I made this video. There goes the old transmission there, and this is the torque converter that came off of the other one that we just took off. That's the old torque converter that was on there. That's a bigger one. This one here is a smaller one. so it doesn't, no feet underneath here. So shit, no feet. So they took the exhaust off here, here, and there. Everything looks like it's a go, but I have to get the other flywheel off the other one. So that is the problem at the moment. No feet. So yeah. Now, to me, I think the flywheel on the other one would fit, but they said that it doesn't fit. So we're going to get this one here and take it off. So we got. As I left and I get to the shop. Now, I don't have none of this on video. Now, go to the shop. I said, this one fit. They said, this one won't fit. This one. I said, it just came off the engine. This, look, the blue marks. He said, oh. I said, yeah, look, blue marks. All right, no feet. Take this flywheel, put it against the engine block to the other flywheel. Oh, same size. Yeah, same size. Mind you, this is not my man who owns the shop. It's the guy that's working for him. But he should have known better too. I picked up the torque converter. I said, see the blue marks with the bump. The other one, the grande one, no bump. Bumper, no bump. Bumper, no bump. All right, so I took the torque converter, put the blue one on. This is on the flywheel on the car. Flex plate, that's on the car. Keep saying flywheel, sorry guys. Flex plate. So the flex plate, boom, it fit. You know what they all said? Like the Smurfs. Ooh, ah, just like the goddamn Smurfs. They was like, oh man, we could have did that like 2 hours ago. Yeah, you could have did that 2 hours ago. So the moral of this part of the video is that not everybody's a mechanic. A true mechanic will figure out that, wait a minute, it gotta be, there's some other holes there. Maybe it may fit. That's what they should have did. So now, let's continue on with the video. No feet. All right, we got the car out the shop. It's been 5 days, so let's go ahead and take a spin in the car and see what's going on. 4 days now, 4 to 5 days, somewhere around there, 4 or 5 days. The car runs good. It has great cruising speeds. That's what I noticed about this torque converter versus the big one. The big one is better. The bigger one is a lot better than the small one. It's just, you know, the takeoff feels like a P71. It doesn't have that oomph, but for city driving, the small one is a lot better to me for city driving. Like I said, I've been on it for like around 4 or 5 days now, and that's what I notice about it. The highway miles is pretty much kind of the same. The takeoff is a little lazy, and that's really about it. I have these lights on the dash. 2 hours later, the lights are off on the dash, which is crazy. I don't understand this, but that's what it does. Wipers don't work. That happened about yesterday. I noticed that the wipers didn't work. They worked during the day because it was raining and stuff like that, and then later on I wanted to use it probably like an hour or 2 hours later, and it did nothing. Now, I don't know if it's a switch or the fuses or whatever, but what I wish it is this daggone switch or a fuse or something like that, but we'll see. I just pray that it's the switch. You can go get one from the junkyard and call it a day. All right, see you guys. Thank you for watching. Yo, let me go.
Like a scene out of Speed down there. Hard left and breaking.
I'm on a new level. I'm on a new level. I'm on a new level.